Welcome back, guys. Another episode of Prado 150 out of here. Well, the weather's been pretty wet, as you know, and it's been hard to get out and go camping. So we thought we'd check out our local area and give you a look. So we're just down at Highfields. There's a bit of a waterfall behind the police station. So I brought Mrs. Prado out of here, down here to have a look, and Chloe. So we're just going to have a bit of a quick look, show you around. And then tomorrow we're going to head out to Queen Mary Falls, so there should be heaps and heaps of water coming down that those falls. So yeah, looking forward to that tomorrow, and we'll give you a look at that as well. I don't know, Chloe.
I'll have a look up there for you.
Okay. Yeah, I don't want to come all the way back up here. Well, look at all this.
Oh, that looks cool.
It's a bit funky, don't fall in. It'll be all soft at the edge.
Nah, it's too hard to get back down.
No, you're right, yeah, you can go around that route.
No, I can go down there.
Just go around that route and go to those rocks over there. You're right. There you go. What are you doing?
I didn't die.
No, you didn't die. Good. I'm glad you didn't die, love.
Who did that?
No idea. We got to go walk up all those steps again.
Dad, if Mom's not coming, you're coming, and I'm gonna go.
Where are you going?
To the other one.
Way. Where's
that? The
way.
creek crossing.
She's going the creek way.
I ran all the way
I'm
there.
going back the normal
and then
way.
I ran all the way back. And they're like, oh, we're not.
Guys, just got Shelley here, so I'm going to get her to get the stuff out of the fridge. What do you reckon, eh? Some cheese and crackers. And I brought a beer, of course, so we're going to open up the fridge and get Shelley to have a bit of a go, you know, so she gets used to it when we go camping. Yeah, I'm not trying to be sexist or anything. I'm still happy to cook and all that stuff. Are you coming yet? So Shelley's going to open up the fridge and check it out, eh? I don't think you've really seen it, have you?
No, this is the first time. This is the.
So you're going to get the hang of it a bit, yeah? And we've just got the table drop down there with the bit of a cutting board on it, yeah? And I'll have to find a knife, won't I?
I will.
Go for it.
It's my first time opening it. So, here we go. Oh, look. Some beers just for me. Even though I don't drink beer.
Oh, yeah, cool, man. What, I wonder how much they are. Oh, they're only ones. That's just, yeah,
Now,
I'll be right with that, eh?
Here's a smart person. So, we've got trays in here, and we've got a little snack craft near too. We've got some cheese, crackers, and some tomato, but someone put the salt and pepper in the fridge.
That's what you do, isn't it?
Let's see how that comes out and if it's all soggy.
And I'm having Captain Sensible. Have you ever seen Captain Sensible? Doesn't go very well with me, eh? I don't think so. But let's have a go at Captain Sensible. Here we go. Captain Sensible has a nice flavour. Captain Sensible, like contributing to your super fun with the pleasure of riding a supercharged jet ski. This is what it says. This ale balances refined malt undertones. Sounds like a red wine or something. Against vivacious hop notes to round out a full taste and mouthfeel that defies its mid-strength nature. Perfect for those who like to keep a lid on it but still want to crack the top off a couple. From us to you of enjoyment, Captain Sensible. Well, there you go. I like that word vivacious. What do you reckon, Shelley? Vivacious.
Yeah, that really.
That's like
That really explains you.
That's the other word you like. What's the other word you like?
No.
Sensational.
I found a knife.
It's sensational. Oh, you know. Oh.
Chloe, would you like some cheese and crackers? Are you coming in? Chloe's hiding today. She's behind the camera, checking to see if it works.
That you haven't found, Shelley, or need, or? You all right?
Yep, I'm all good, thanks.
Did everything? Did you want a drink of water? Cold water?
No, I'm not, thanks.
I've even got cups in here. Can you believe that? I've got cups in.
Chloe, would you like one?
There's a few mozzies around, so I don't know where
Shut
you guys
door,
are.
Chloe.
Whether you're ever up here at Highfields at the falls, but make sure you bring the mozzie repellent. Hey, we'll probably need it when we go out to Queen Mary Falls tomorrow. Hey, Shelley, what do you reckon?
Yeah, probably.
Probably be the same out there.
Depends what time of day. This is a bad time of day to be out, so.
Hey, you're part of this too. You got to come in, please.
Yeah, Chloe. Would you like a cheese and cracker?
They like to see you. People like
Come
to see
and grab
you.
one.
Serious?
Come and grab a cheese and cracker, Chloe. Come on. She's shy today. I'll hand it out of camera.
Shelley,
Pepper.
there's a light up here. Look, have you seen it? And did you notice? Did you notice that we put where we put the road chef? Oh yeah, that's right. You complained, didn't you?
No, I didn't complain about the road chef. I asked if, I don't know if you can see the first aid kit up here. So I just said maybe it can go over behind the road chef a bit more so we have clearance straight through the back of the car.
And I said,
He said that's what you have mirrors for. And I'm like, I know that, but
exactly right.
sometimes it's good to see straight down the back of the car.
I know. I need some mirrors. Yeah, maybe I need some Clearview mirrors. Someone needs to give me some. Hey, what do you reckon? Just joking.
Chloe, you want another one?
Mm-hmm.
And you like to come for this one.
Because all this is being filmed, I'll put that on camera on the thing.
Yeah, he's probably sneaking in.
Shelley, we've only got two items in the bottom.
As soon as I go to eat one.
We only had two items in the bottom. The cans were fine, perfect. But we had two of these in the very bottom. They just slid in, so we'll just test them. These came out of our home fridge. Shelley was organising the home fridge, so I said, hey, can we grab these for the in-car fridge? So anyway, was it all intact, Shelley? Wasn't?
Yes, everything in that basket was fine.
Okay. And what about
They were both.
and the water? The water's in there?
Yeah, the water was fine too.
We had an
Yeah, it
empty
had
one
moved.
just to keep it together. So that's the only problem with it upright. If you guys, anyone's got one, and if you
Gotta
don't
make
have
sure
one,
it's packed properly.
everything's going to be packed. Otherwise, it'll just roll and slide and all that. That's the only disadvantage of an upright compared to, you know, a top one like the angle. Got one for me.
Yep, grab one there if you like one. And some slice of cheese. See Chloe sneaking in for her biscuits. Run out of
Where's the
tomato.
more?
Well, maybe you should have come into the video. Instead of hiding all of it.
Try not to hit your back.
Look how I wrapped it up.
Sure. I'll let Shelley do it. No worries at all.
If you're just new to the channel, this table is something that Josh made. He hooked it up. Got his hooks up here, made it and covered it with carpet. Oh, did you get it? Thanks, Chloe. Oh, look, there's one there.
Come on, there's no tomato.
Oh, you having some more? I got 4 out, now there's only 2 left.
Oh,
You guys sniff it out.
she just sniffed pepper. I hope she sneezes.
Why would you do that?
Chloe.
That's the point.
Mmm.
Now I'm definitely going to sneeze.
Just a bit of cheese. We like cheese in our family.
I just didn't bring a chair, Shelley.
No, I think we would have been carried away by mozzies if we stayed here. You haven't sneezed yet? I think it's failed.
Oh no, you just right one.
Are you eating that or am I?
No, I got that for me. You can have the tomato.
I'm not sneezing. Why am I not sneezing?
Because that myth is a myth.
But I did sneeze last time.
Well, they're very vivacious, baby.
Oh, I
might get vivacious.
I'm not sure if that's one word I would use to describe you, vivacious.
Doesn't mean like,
I
maybe
know
we should turn
what.
the camera off.
I know what vivacious means.
Oh.
My nose is burning.
Really, it's like,
Riding a supercharged jet ski.
It's
What's
like-
it taste like?
you know when you read a wine bottle and it goes, oh, you know, on the palate and it's a, you know, refreshing, fruity bit of, you know, that's like reading that.
Alright. And was it with enjoyment? Did you have enjoyment
I
while
did.
you drank it?
I was being very sensible when I
You
drank
didn't
it.
make me sneeze.
No, well, that's good. You have to let Captain Sensible know.
My local pub doesn't have Captain Larry's.
Oh, doesn't it?
That's not right, is it?
No,
My
but
local
these-
one doesn't have Larry's. They're not Captain Larry's. I got confused for a minute.
That wasn't me.
Well, it sort of was.
No, definitely was not me.
It was that bird, wasn't it? Came down.
And what are you
Yeah, it
doing?
was
I'm
bird.
putting it away in the fridge, love. It's absolutely roaring.
Are you ready about falls, Chloe?
Doing her
They weren't like this a week ago, eh? What do you reckon?
Hey, tell him what you're doing.
Dad, you should throw some rocks.
Every time we come here, she's got to try rock to see if she can reach the ground of the water.
That's what we do every time.
Well, guys, this is, let's use the word epic. I've never seen the falls like this, so this is just after heaps and heaps of rain. So isn't this awesome? If you want to see some falls, get down to Queen Mary Falls, just past Killarney. It's certainly worth the look. So this is called Daggs Falls, just before Queen Mary Falls on your way up. So yeah, make sure you come out for a day trip. What you got there, Chloe?
It won't move. Okay.
Hold on to it.
Hey!
Guys, we're just on our way down to have a look at Brown's Falls. I don't know how far we're going to get today, but anyway, it says it's a 600-metre walk, two of them. So we're just going to check this out. We go through a little tunnel here. Chloe and I have been down here before on one of my other videos. You'll see Chloe has a bit of a fall in the water back here. But anyway, we'll go and check it out, eh? Chloe, bring back a few memories. No? What happened up there? You ready, Chloe? I'll see a bit of water, eh? Yeah. How cold is it, you reckon? Swivel, you reckon?
So there is a gate.
There is a gate. There's a gate there and there's a gate on the other side of the property.
Going down the Queen Mary Falls and the bottom's closed, so you can't go down to the top. I mean the bottom.
So where are we going? We're going to go...
We're going to have take two here.
Take two. Try again.
Oop, there's a fly on the lens.
Go.
We're heading over to Queen Mary Falls and the bottom's closed, so we can't go look at the bottom.
But we can look at the top.
But we can look at the top.
At least to remember the word.
Yeah, we got the team here.
Add everything at the bottom that I messed up and just add like the...
Nah, I'm going to put it straight on there, just like an intro. Hey guys, so we're just walking down to the lookout. We're looking. We're talking about bloopers here. We're expecting a lot of water to be coming down. We can hear it from here. do you reckon, Chloe? There's a bit of water there, eh? Yeah. Wow.
You can even feel the water spray.
I left my water bottle behind.
Chloe. Okay, you can press stop now. Yeah, you can press stop now. Here. Oh guys, that was Queen Mary Falls. Epic falls, hey. So yeah, as you know, we're just down here with Shelley and Chloe having a great time today. Forecast for storms. It is not raining at the moment, so that's good. We're going a different way up to the top. I'm with Chloe and Shelley's going the other way with less steps apparently. So shortly we're just going to head over to the little restaurant over here. They're only doing takeaways at the moment, but we thought we'd go and support them and go and grab something to eat. So we'll show you what that's about soon.
Just gonna count all the Prados here.
There's a few here, eh?
You got 1, 2, 3.
You have to show me them.
Where's 4?
There
There's
was
5.
one, there is one at the end there.
Oh, well,
have a quick
that's 4.
Yeah, let's have a look.
Oh, where's me, Mum?
I can see 3. 1, 2, 3. One next to us. And there's one at the other end. Must be a good car, eh?
Ornament stuff for this.
Right, you can buy some and get some birdseed.
There's no...
There's one over there, look.
Yep, I'm going in. You having Chloe? I'll just eat some of your chips, Michael. What do you
Oh
want,
yeah,
Chloe?
you pinch my chips.
Yeah.
It's a bit rough.
Quick one.
I'm looking.
What you need to order that?
Hey, this would be cool on her desk, Mum.
What do you got?
And what one was that, the cheese and aggo with the salad chips? No, cheese and aggo?
Oh.
It would
What
look
Doesn't matter.
does it say?
friendship in a single soul, living in two bodies.
Yeah, is that right?
It would go well on Sarah's desk.
Yeah.
Hey,
Go.
welcome to Queen Mary Falls Caravan Park and Cafe. We're open for business. No seating, unfortunately, in the cafe, but we've got a great takeaway menu happening at the moment. Bit of water laying around, but it's a fantastic time to see the waterfalls, so why not come up and see us? So why not come up, spend a day or two, come and see the beautiful waterfall. You can stay in one of our great little cabins or caravan park with camping, unpowered and powered. Come up today, come see us.
So we're just up here, Prado 158, we're just out here supporting these guys. I've stayed here before, they've got some awesome camping facilities. You've got hot showers and everything, haven't
hot
you?
showers.
Yeah, the camping part might be a little bit wet at the moment, but you've got cabins.
We've got cabins,
Different
yeah.
sorts of
yeah,
cabins,
yeah.
yeah,
And
yeah.
we've got sites that are still pretty good.
Yep,
so,
and you've got powered sites for
Powered
caravans. You can even get a
sites,
caravan
yeah.
up here, can't
Yeah,
you?
definitely,
And the falls, they're just absolutely hammering
Best
down.
time to see the falls.
Yeah, awesome.
absolutely
So
gorgeous.
we're always going to get probably more rain.
Yeah,
in
I
few
think
weeks
within
or
the
so.
next 20 minutes or so.
How long do you reckon the falls actually go once we've had heaps of rain?
Weeks.
Yeah, of course. So you've still got
It's
some
been a
weeks.
significant amount, so
Yeah, awesome.
it's
All
beautiful.
right. Well, guys, we just got our meal. It's just starting to rain, so they've been kind enough to let us use their camp kitchen. So I'll just show you that while we're here. So this is their quite a big camp kitchen for camping. It's got everything you want: barbecue, sink, microwave, kettle, toaster. So yeah, so if you're camping and you want to use a camp kitchen, there's one right here. So we're just going to sit down and have our burgers, eh? And my coffee with cream. They got cream for my coffee. Outstanding.
Here we go. This is the special this week. It's the Firefly Burger. So it's crumb chicken, bacon, pineapple, cheese, lettuce, tomato. Look at that. Chloe got the plain chicken burger. So it's got chicken. It doesn't have the bacon and all the extra special bits, but I'm pinching her chips.
And I got the hamburger.
And Michael,
Coffee and cream.
show yours.
Ooh, I'm gonna pinch a chip
The
right there.
hamburger. Have a pinchy pinch. Have a look.
Oh, that's all right.
Here. Look at that. That looks pretty good.
Yum, eh?
Yummy.
Hey, don't pinch my chips, eh?
Hey, I was good. I didn't get any.
Well, look at that, rain's coming. There's a couple of cabins over there, I don't know if you can see from here, but there's a couple over there, and there's a few caravanners over there. So the campsite's looking beautiful and green, but probably a bit wet to be camping today. So, we'll get up. Umbrellas in the car. And the cars were over there.
Moving down this end.
We've got some very inquisitive cows here come down to say hello. Well guys, thanks for watching another episode. Prado 158 here. So we just got out for the day from Toowoomba, tucked up to Queen Mary Falls. So it's been a great day out, bit of rain here and there. Yeah, so thanks again for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and come up and see the guys at the cafe at Queen Mary Falls. They put on a great lunch and you can watch the water pouring over the falls at the moment. So we'll see you out there, eh? Thanks again. See ya.